MeghalayaPost.news
Ban pensuk tangi kinung tray kam sorkar bat kumjuru ikipat ba kathan Mawkyrwat na kabanta ban Thep Pisa na say Pisa ka State Bank of India Mawkyrwat branch menta kasngi kala place sundan de ka cash deposit machine ka kor kabala ban Thep Pisa Phyllaw ka Office of Deputy Commissioner Mawkyrwat yakni ka kor ban Thep Pisa lawan ban pli do MLA ka Mawkyrwat uba renik ton lingdo tongkhar kumukongsan balasaki lang da ka jingdon lang u Deputy Commissioner uba B Maulong u branch manager ka SBI upi gogoy lambat kwi ki officer bat kinong tray na ka State Bank of India. Habakran hakani kasngi UMLA ka Mawkyrwat ubara nikton lengdo tongkhar ulapan pao bakani ka district kadang don kam sibon kiwai ki kam kibayade bat ka kam bank balakam ban kiaru baka shillong kaladon kam ban yo kawai ka branch jong ka bank na ka banta ka jingdon kam kipajba susu ulapan pao ru baka jingdon kam ya ka branch sa shillong kaday namar baka tay ka than kan sayo ka blong bat ka college ru kaladon lupa bakum kipajba kidon kam ya ka bank na ka banta ban lum ne kan sayo Pisa.
Of gathering here together, and especially for giving us good weather. It has been raining unpredictably for the past few days, and today I think God has been gracious, giving us good weather. I feel this, if not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this is the first off-site ATM which you are having in Mawkyrwat, because most of the ATMs are all normally attached to the branches, and I think there's just one SBI ATM which is there in the market, which is not too far from the branch also. So I think this is the only one which is a bit further off. I'd like to thank the team from State Bank of India to make this happen, because I was a bit afraid whether we could make it today or not, because it had taken some time. We had to go through a lot of ups and downs, a lot of struggles. Actually, it's been quite some time after I joined this district that I realized that our nearest ATM is in the market area, either in the bank branches or in the market. And then every time we have events, we always have crowds of people. Like, for example, when we had the district council elections, we had people here, and then before the polling parties had to move out, they needed to draw cash. So normally we had to arrange cash from the office. So I thought an ATM in this part of the town is highly needed, because there's so many government offices. We have the SP office nearby, PHE office, you have the education, the mini secretariat with the DMHO is functioning from there. And then there's so many households also living nearby, and then the nearest ATM which they have to access is at the market. So with due respect to State Bank of India, initially I had spoken to HDFC and after that to ICICI Bank, not because I thought that SBI cannot do it, but we had been meeting for some work or the other, firstly with HDFC. So I always know that they're always into CSR and doing a lot of activities, so they're very proactive in many things. I thought, why not have an ATM here? They had come, they had checked out this place, they had taken the geotag, had done everything. Then after a few months, they backed out. Then one fine day, one of the regional managers of ICICI Bank also came and visited me. Then I broached the subject. I said, why not have an ATM here in our premises?
And to the people, to the staff of the DC office and the nearby offices in particular, who will enjoy the service from this ATM. They don't need to go to Mawkyrwat market. They don't need to go to Mawkyrwat SBI where they'll have to queue there. But here they will be the first people who will get the opportunity to utilize this ATM. So I want to express my sincere thanks to SBI for extending this service to the people of this area. Yes, I expect also not only ATM, but if possible, some more branch in Mawkyrwat area in our district, Southwest Kasihiras. We are still expecting and we still need some more branch. After Mawkyrwat, you see, you have such a big area. After Mawkyrwat, when you go, you reach Rangplang, Umdolon, and then that side we call Shillong area, which is about 50% of the population residing there, where we have no branch, we have no bank service out there. More branch, and I would request through this small meeting, yes, I have approached also the bank authority from time to time to request them to open a branch, one more branch in this district, especially in the Shillong area, which is very, very necessary to have another branch in this district. I hope to see in near future Yes, we still need more ATM also, but if we can have one more branch, it will be it will be great help to people of this area, especially of people residing in that area. We are still initiating from the government, even to have one more block in this district, and the government is considering positively to have one more block, and it will be in that area. And on 30th, we will be launching, we'll be inaugurating one more college will be having there in that area. So along with all this development, it will be very, very good if we have also a bank service over there. So that I just want to express, and I'm very good with SBI. If I want to tell you my relation with SBI, I think I'm more as a customer rather than an MLA standing here. I am SBI customer for many, many years, and I have got also a total exposure of few crores of rupees with SBI. So I was termed as one of good customer in SBI, and I want to see that SBI not only good with me, but it will be a good bank to so many people, to the people residing in this area. And as they have extended service from time to time, I wish to see that the service of SBI will be improving to the people of this area and the people of Meghalaya at large.
MeghalayaPost.news